So this is our May competition for the Euros 2024, with 75% of our customers engaging and a whopping 55 customers qualified, and all of you have won a football shirt. Congratulations. The top 10 customers automatically qualify and are in the pot for the draw. We'll now draw the next 14 out of the remaining 45 to go into the bag to be seeded, to be drawn alongside the teams for the Euros.
Hi everyone, I'm Jack Baker. I'm a regional part sales manager. I'm here today at the Royal Cornwall Show supporting the Morey team with their beautiful setup they've got going on. You've heard from John about the campaign. Brilliant to see so many of you involved. I think it's going to be a really great one. I just wanted to say good luck.
My name's Andrew Beckett. I'm the Parts Sales and Marketing Director here at Daft Trucks. Great to be here at the show with Morey, supporting it down at the Royal Cornwall Show. I'm really looking forward to the Euros campaign, which is what this video is all about, really. We're going to get you in the draw. Good luck to it all. It's great for you to support Pack Our Parts and TRP are all mates, so very good luck at the Euros competition. I hope you all do well, win some prizes, buy some parts, and good luck to all the teams, and hopefully England do very well there.
So we've made it now to the top 24 customers that have made it to the group stages for the Euros. You're now being assigned your team alongside the group stages for the official Euros draw. The winner now will win £1,000, the runner-up wins £500, and the two losing semi-finalists will win £250. Congratulations and good luck to all of you that have qualified.